Hi, this is Russ with a demonstration showing how the Coden Green Field Finder can be used by scientists in real time as they are actively engaged in the creative process to qualify new research ideas as prospective business opportunities. This time, we will examine a new therapeutic approach to the treatment of pancreatic cancer. As is often the case, the idea we will explore here was inspired by seminal publications. The first reports the drug L-cannabinine, which combines two important attributes. First, it is highly cytotoxic. Second, when administered to living animals, this drug is naturally sequestered in the pancreas. Targeted delivery of the cytotoxic compound to the affected organ reduces the likelihood of complications due to systemic toxicity. I will select the title of this article and copy it to my clipboard. Another very recent paper describes the creation of vaccines that, when administered to patients, results in the formation of tumor-specific antigens that destroy pancreatic tumor cells. Our new idea: treat pancreatic cancer patients for whom surgical resection is not possible with a combined therapy utilizing L-cannabinine and tumor-specific antigens. This double-barreled approach to chemotherapy is very common. Has anyone else already thought of using it this way to treat pancreatic cancer? Let's begin by determining whether patents already exist for the individual approaches we are considering. We can simply paste the title of the L-cannabinine paper into the query area of the Green Field Finder and click the Analyze button. This identifies all recognized key terms and concepts from the meta thesaurus and highlights them. Moving over to the Query Workbench area, we can see that the Green Field Finder has identified preferred terms for all of the identified concepts. The preferred term L-cannabinine is coupled with the preferred terms that refer to pancreatic cancer. This provides us with the terms that will be used in our query. Notice that each of the preferred terms is associated with all relevant synonyms. In the case of L-cannabinine, there are 18 synonyms. The two terms pancreatic carcinoma and malignant neoplasm of pancreas each have 8 synonyms, which combine for a total of 15 unique terms. Together, this amounts to 270 unique combinations. Our search will include all of these possibilities. Moving now to the Results Workbench area, we simply click on the Triple Claims tab to find patents having claims which contain triples that combine all of the selected concepts. 3 such claims are found. Okay, no surprise there. A thumbnail of any individual claim is elicited by clicking on the claim itself. And the complete patent record from the U.S. Patent Office website can be retrieved by clicking on the red icon to the right of each claim. This one looks like it came from the University of Kentucky. So, in a few seconds, starting with text copied from a paper of interest, we were able to locate specific patents relevant to this intellectual property. Notice that we would have arrived at exactly the same set of patent claims using any of the 270 different variants of the same basic query. In this case, 2 document terms are identified. Both are relevant. Used for a triple claim search, this retrieves exactly the same set of 3 patents as before. Once again, we find the patent from the University of Kentucky. This illustrates the power of concept versus keyword searches. Now let's consider the use of tumor-specific antigens against pancreatic cancer. This time, let's just type the research hypothesis directly into the query area. Click the Analyze button. In this case, 4 concepts are recognized. It looks like immunogen is the preferred term for antigen. Let's use all of these terms to create the query. Again, we execute the search by clicking the Triple Claims tab. And we find existing patent claims that disclose this approach. This is just what we expected. Now the stage is set for us to analyze the research hypothesis that we are hoping is novel. Our research hypothesis unifies these two divergent approaches to the treatment of pancreatic cancer into one combined approach. Has this idea been previously patented? We know from our earlier results that all 5 of the identified concept terms are relevant, so we use them all for query terms. Again, we execute a triple claim search. This time, no results found. No patent claim exists covering the approach we have in mind. This is exactly what we were hoping for. Within just a few minutes, we bridged the gap from emergence of an idea while reading original papers to validation that the idea we have in mind is worth further consideration as a novel, new therapeutic approach. Rather than asking my patent specialists to figure this out, which could take days, as a scientist, I like a tool that allows me to explore these possibilities while I'm actively thinking about it. The Green Field Finder does that.